have a lot of support from the crowd as well.
Yeah. Shamil Mishra.
Guys,
enters
right
the
after
cage.
finishing the fight, please collect your certificate from this table near the gate.
Looks in great condition also.
Participants also, please collect your certificate from the table in front of the gate.
Touch gloves.
And here we go, round one. Both fighters touch gloves. Maintaining distance, getting the feel. Nice inside leg kick by Shamil. Nice leg kick by Shamil.
Shamil is opening up with straight offense.
Nice hook by Shamil, but that landed on the guard. But great offense. Nice leg kick again by Shamil. Shubham needs to show some actions. Good inside leg kick. But
Like-
Shamil just tweaked it. He didn't even feel it. It looks like Shamil
kinda
didn't even feel it.
taunts Shubham by making a slight dance over there.
Nice. I think Shamil is going for the finish already. But nice cross landed by Shubham.
Shubham is on a back step.
Yeah,
He needs
Shamil
to
is
stand
throwing
his
great
ground
offense.
Yeah. Shubham needs to stand his ground and throw more punches. And Shubham's-
Nice leg kick again by Shamil.
Is there a slight bruise on Shubham's nose?
I can't see it, but maybe Shamil has landed a lot of punches. Shamil is taunting again.
Shamil is just making Shubham walk back.
Oh, nice leg kick by Shubham. Shamil aiming for the head hunting right now. Going for the jab.
Clean jab landed by Shamil.
Shamil telling Shubham to come forward. Good head kick by Shamil.
Nice leg kick again by Shamil. Clean jab by Shamil. And also Shamil is not just swinging, he's being very
He's being
calculated
very
about
efficient
it.
with his punches.
Yeah.
Good first round for Shamil. We have 10 seconds remaining. I think Shubham is a little hurt. Shubham was hurt towards the end of it. Good first round by Shamil.
I'm quite sure Shubham has some injury on his nose. His nose seems pretty red to me.
I still can't see it, but maybe Shamil landed some hard punches. Shubham. And we are entering round 2. Great round for Shamil. Shubham needs to show more in round 2 in order to take this fight, or at least take some of the confidence that Shamil has.
I agree.
Shamil
again back
just
with the taunts.
taunting back with the taunts. But he needs to be careful. It only takes one punch
Yes.
sometimes.
Yes.
But right now, of course, he's very confident. Shubham is on back foot and Shamil is just throwing offense right
needs
now.
to stand the ground
Nice
and
cross
throw
by
back,
Shubham.
or at
Nice
least
cross
throw a
landed by
counter.
Shubham. Shubham is showing a lot of heart right now.
Shamil is just very confident, man. I don't know if it is real confidence or if it is overconfidence. I don't know what that is.
I think he was confident from the beginning, but I think because of how the fight is
Yes.
going, he's gaining and more
Yes.
confidence. He's
Nice
just throwing
kick.
without any answers back. So nice jab. And it must be very discouraging for Shubham to see it.
Yes.
But like he's in the fight still. He's showing heart.
Yes.
He's standing
yes.
right
He's
in.
not giving up.
Yeah, he's
definitely
standing
not
right
giving
in
up. He's
Shamil's
trying to
face.
throw counters whenever Shamil lands.
Nice head kick. Nice cross by Shamil. Nice jab by Shubham.
And Shamil is using the same strategy. He's just throwing front body kicks and not allowing Shubham to.
And the good thing
enter
is
the
not
space.
just like rushing in
Yes.
blindly.
Yes.
He has his composure. He's saving energy. He's in a way picking apart Shubham.
He's really composed and calculative with his punches, with some taunts in between, of course.
I think Shubham landed and Shamil realized that, so he's keeping his guard up and he's getting more and more aggressive also. Shamil is getting more aggressive now,
Yeah.
throwing more jab and cross. Last 10 seconds of round 2.
Shamil is doing really good work with his legs.
Yeah.
Trying to keep Shubham off the space.
Good round 2 for Shamil.
Yeah.
I think Shamil is definitely leading this fight currently.
Yeah.
I think Shubham needs to honestly knock Shamil out in order to win
Or
this
do
fight.
something really drastic to change the scorecards his
Yeah.
way. Why is Shubham's corner not getting in the cage?
I have no idea.
Guys,
But
final
Shubham is showing
round.
great courage,
Yeah.
staying in the fight. Nice leg
Nice
kick
leg
by
kick by
Shubham.
Shubham.
I think Shamil felt that one. He's not. Nice cross.
Shamil just going all in now.
I think Shamil is definitely winning this fight, but I think he needs to show a little. Oh,
Oh, that
nice
was a
cross!
good-
Nice cross. I was gonna say he needs to be a little more aggressive, and he is being aggressive right now.
Yeah.
Nice overhand by Shamil.
Nice body kick by Shamil. Once more.
I think he landed on the guard, but still. Nice head kick. Even though it's landing on the guard, but the variety.
I think Shubham landed a cross on
Yeah.
Shamil.
But it's just one cross.
Yeah.
And to Shamil's barrage of attacks.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, Shubham finally
Shubham
getting
is
in.
finally opening up. Shubham is opening up.
Shubham needs to continue what he was
Shubham
doing.
is doing good right now. Shamil comes back with a barrage of attacks.
Shubham is exhausted, man. Shubham is really exhausted.
Yeah, Shubham is exhausted. But what courage he showed in
Yes.
round 3. He opened up.
He needs to do more of it. He needs to do
He
more
needs
of
to
it.
do more of that, yes, for sure.
Shamil is also tired.
But Shamil is calm. He's not
Yes.
throwing punches which
Yes.
are not meaningful or not leading to
And we have
anything.
the
Last 10 seconds of the
10
fight.
seconds.
Shubham needs to. Oh, nice
Shamil's got
overhand.
this.
Shamil going all attack. Great fight. Great fight for Shamil. Good heart, show of heart by Shubham. Shamil had fantastic first 2 rounds. I think he
Yeah.
was just picking about Shubham, but Shubham showed great courage in round 3 and
Yeah.
opened up. If he did more of that a little earlier, I think
Yes.
it would have been
I
a
think
very
he
interesting
realized
fight.
towards the end of third round that it's high stakes and he needs to perform right
Yeah.
now.
All right, guys. So the winner is red corner by unanimous decision.
Great fight by Shamil.
All right, guys. From the blue corner, we have Gaurav Nishad from Team Naveen.
Gaurav Nishad. This is a welterweight bout. Gaurav Nishad from Team Naveen approaching the cage.